Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 205, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode to preserve your battery, especially when it's at a perfect percentage of 69%. Nice. So anyway, all you need to do is pull down your notification like I just did, expand it, and in here you'll find battery saver. So simply press on it. As you can see, the brightness of your display will drop, that's normal. Additionally, Wi-Fi and mobile data will be turned off when the device is in sleep mode. And when the screen is locked like I just did, this would go into sleep mode after a couple minutes, at which point it disconnects, like I mentioned, from Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now because of that, you won't receive any kind of new notifications from applications that require internet connection, like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on. Now, once you wake up the device again, it will automatically reconnect to a network and sync up everything that was missing from those applications. So there we go. And once you're done with the actual power saving mode, find the toggle once again, tap on it, and everything will go back to functioning normally. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.